Namaste. Welcome to maths class. Is a fraction and decimal topic. Fraction or ratio of two numbers, the numerator and the denominator, usually written one above the other and separated by a horizontal bar. Okay, this line one. This is the fraction. For example, this one 2 by 5, 7 by 3, 2 whole number 1 by 3. This is the proper fraction because its numerator is smaller than denominator. It is improper fraction. Its numerator is bigger than denominator. And it's the mixed fraction where we write quotient, remainder, and this is divisor. 2 whole number 1 by 3. Okay. This is the introduction of fraction. Now here is the question. In a class there were 42 students. If there are 24 boys, what is the part of girls in the class? Solution. Total number of students equals 42. Number of boys equals 24. Number of girls equals what? Part of girls equals what? Now, number of girls equals to 42 minus 24, that comes 18. Then part of girls equals number of girls right up, total number right down, and then cancel here 3 6 are 7 6 are 3 by 7. And we can check. If we add the part of girls and part of boys, if you find the part of boys, what will be? 24 by 42, and that will give one single complete one. Okay. Let's see our next example. 1 by 3 of the students of a school are girls. If the number of boys is 140, how many students are there? Okay. Also find the number of girls. Solution. Number of boys equals 140. Part of girls equals 1 by 3. Total number of students equals what? Number of girls equals what? Then we know the part of boys. This 1 is the complete one. From complete, if we subtract the part of girls, then part of boys will come. 3 1 to 3. 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3. The total number of students we are supposing x. Then by the question 2 by 3 of x. 2 by 3 of x equals 140, because this is the what? 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 means boys, and 140 are also given boys here. That's why they are equal to each other. They are equivalent. They are equal to each other. 2 by 3 of x equals 140. Then 3 goes here to multiply. 2 comes here to divide. Then it will give 70 into 3, that means 210. And 210 is the x value. That means total number of students is 210. The number of girls equals to 210 minus 140, because total minus boys equals to girls. Similarly here, okay, Purna had some liters of milk, okay. He took 7 by 8 of it in breakfast and leaving 51 by 2 liters with him. How many liters of milk did he have at first? Now we have supposed part of the milk for breakfast is 7 by 8 and remaining part is 1. 1 is complete. 1 minus 7 by 8. Then it will be 8 1 8 minus 7 by 8. That means 1 by 8 is remaining. And remaining amount of milk is 51 by 2 liters is given question. Then we have to write Purna had x liter of milk at first. By question we have to write 1 by 8 of x equals 51 by 2. 1 by 8 into x equals 51 by 2. Then if you do cross multiplication, look, 8 goes here, then 1 comes here to divide. But 1 is not needed to write in denominator. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 and 4 into 51. It will give 204 liters. Thus Purna had 204 liters of milk at first. Similarly, look here, 4 by 5 part of our sum of money is rupees 600. Then what will be the 3 5 part of it? Then let the total sum be x. Then 4 by 5 of x is 600. Then 4x equals to 600 into 5. 600 into 5 divided by 4. Then it will give 750. Total is 750. Then the sum of money is 750 now. 3 by 5 part of this total, the 750 is 3 by 5 into 750. Cancel it. 5 into 150 means 750. 505, then 250 into 3 means 450 is the answer. And here is the classwork. In this classwork, what we have to do? First of all, we find their total distance from Kathmandu to Gorkha is 140. Okay, 140. Then Ramlal had traveled two-fifths of the distance by motorbike. Travel by motorbike is what? 2 by 5 into 140. That means you have to cut 5 on the 5, 5 to the and 5 8. Then it will come 56. 56 kilometer is walk. Okay, travel by motorbike. Travel by motorbike. Then 37 by bus. Bus is 37 into 140. That means 777. Then it will come 60 kilometer. Okay, 60 kilometer is travel by bus. The remaining is walk. Walking means we have to subtract that. Okay, from 140 minus 56 minus 60. Then what will come here? 140 minus this is 6. Okay, then 5 more 6 11. 116. Then it will give 10 minus 6 4. 3 minus 1 2. Okay, 24 kilometer is walk. Traveled by walking. Now similar look 6 number. How to look here? Krishna lends 3 by 5 of money to his friend. Okay, and buys a salt by 2 by 3 part of the remainder. If he had originally 450 rupees, how much money will be left with him? He had rupees 450. Then lending money is 3 by 5 into 450 means 5 on the 5, 5 9 are 90 will be there. Then 90 into 3 means 270. 270 is given to the friends. Okay, lending money and buying salt. Okay, means remainder. We have to find first of remainder. Remainder means 450 minus how much given there? 270. Then remainder is there 0 and 15 minus 7 8 and will be 3 3 minus 2 is 1. 180 is remainder. Then from 180 2 by 3 of 180 3 3 6 18, then it will be 2 into 60 means 120. 120 rupees is spent for to buy the sword. Okay, now if he had original rupees 450, how much money is remaining with him? That means how much money was left? 180 was left, then 120 is spent, then it will be 60 rupees. 60 rupees left with him. Like this, I hope you can do this all. Okay, and here are other questions for your assignment. Practice this. Okay, it's very easy. Look here in at number 7 by 10 questions. Okay, where solved by Suman. Total questions were 100. 7 by solved question is 7 by 10 into 100 means 10 10 is 100. Then 70 questions are solved. From 70 questions, how many are correct? Correct question are 5 by 7 into 70. That means 7 on the 7, 7 10s are then 10 into 50. 10 into 5 is 50. 50 questions are solved correctly. Similarly, find here, this is also similar question. You can do easily. We have done like this before. The blacktopped by, this one, 2 by 5 part is blacktopped by British company. Okay. And that means 2 by 5 into 110, that is blacktopped by British company. And 5 by 6 part of the remainder. Remainder find first of all. Remainder means 110 minus that subtract, okay, British one. Remaining will come, then from that one, we have to find 5 by 6 of that remainder. Then it will come for the Chinese company one, okay. Then we can find out that, okay. How many kilometers was blacktopped by the other? Other means we have to subtract now from 110 minus blacktopped by British company minus blacktopped by Chinese company. Then remaining, okay, kilometers will come. That is blacktopped by other companies. I hope you can do easily. Thank you. Stay safe, healthy and happy. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. It's made for your study, to make your study easier. Okay. Thank you very much once again.